smash some walls too. We are getting after this house demo.
Demo day!
Demo day! Linky, you ready to smash some walls, buddy?
We got Chick-fil-A.
We got some Chick-fil-A. You know, the kids get a little hangry after school. So we
don't want to be doing like demo on empty stomachs, so I was like, we need to get some chicken for
them. Not gonna arm a child with a hammer while they're hangry.
We just got like 7 hammers, guys. Yeah. We're gonna have to be watching them closely.
Yeah.
You good?
We got Bit with the Brit here, hanging out, gonna help us smash some walls for a few minutes before he has to go.
How you doing, buddy?
Mom and Dad. This is gonna be the ongoing joke for her life. What's up, beautiful people? We are here at the property, the new house, and demo day is starting right now. So we have a massive sledgehammer and crowbar and 5 little hammers right here. Actually, I think we got 7 hammers. Oh, bro.
I got the sledgehammer.
That looks pretty good on you, man.
You know what, y'all? This is what you get. I want you guys to do. I want you guys to smash the like button with the sledgehammer.
Smash the like button and the subscribe button with that sledgehammer. That'd be hilarious. Anyway, so let's go smash through some walls. But first, we're gonna eat some Chick-fil-A because we're ready. Oh my gosh. This is insane. What the heck? Guys. This is like literally all coming out. We got all the walls. What's up, man? How are you? So we told them to leave the kitchen for us. But dude, look at this. Oh my gosh. It's like all gone, dude. All gone. Woo! There's the attic up there. We still got some ceiling. We still got some. It's all coming out, man. Crazy. We got the lone toilet in case anybody needs to use the restroom while we're working. Dude. It's wild, man. Look at this. Still have the priestly carpet in here, which is great. But this is incredible, man. Wow. What do you think of this?
Super surprised.
Super surprised? You didn't expect to walk into a house that's basically been torn apart.
I like this is all like
we all ripped out already. They're getting after it, huh? They're moving quick. They just started yesterday morning and they've already done all this.
Holy, this is so fast.
So fast.
I am so a son of Odin.
Is that Hammer Mjolnir?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Thank goodness we got Thor with us to
Oh
help
my
us
gosh.
take down the walls.
Seriously. I think Lincoln is going to stay out here because there's a bunch of nails on the ground in there.
I was hoping, I had kind of envisioned that all the kids would be able to kind of take a few swings, but I just think for safety
Probably
reasons,
safer for him to stay out here.
we'll stay out here.
Maybe in the AC of the car, I would think would be even a better option.
Well, we're going to eat and run around a little bit and then probably we'll just take
Look at me.
It's also good that Lincoln's outside because he can.
I literally get so sweaty.
You already got so sweaty, I know, seriously.
hoodie in August.
I don't understand that.
Yeah.
Is this your Diva Life sweater? Diva Life.
Hey now. No making fun of Mom. Eating some chicken nuggets before we break down some of these walls. Are you guys excited to knock down a few walls?
Yes. Oh yeah.
See that kitchen open up? That's what I want to see.
I had a really fun time in math, so I'm excited about it.
So you need to take out a little frustration? Is that what you're saying? You know, after school therapy.
We spent the whole day doing the test. It took forever.
Oh,
And it was
so
really boring.
we're gonna give you the sledgehammer and let you go to town. Everyone's getting their food, and then we're going to get started on this. This is gonna be just total chaos.
You're nuts. I'm excited. I'm ready.
Yeah, you are ready.
Been waiting for this day.
Did you get some footage inside? Did you show them around? Like all the whole house is like coming down. Not the whole. I mean, the whole house isn't coming down, but all the walls. I think every bit of like drywall is going to be replaced, and lights and windows, and most of those walls are opening up, so that's nice.
Wow, dude. All right, guys, watch your feet, watch your toes, watch your shoes. We are coming into the kitchen, and we're going to smash some walls. Here's Johnny. Hey, boom! Hey, buddy, you're coming in.
He was really curious about what the noise is going on.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm letting him look for just a second, then we're gonna go out.
Yeah.
I don't want him to be like crawling around.
I love
But he comes in and like, what's going on?
it. Yeah.
Do you want to use the hammer one time?
He's like, I'll rip off this cabinet. Oh, wow. And do it again. Whoa. Yeah, good job.
Oh, Go for mine.
Man.
Go for mine.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, right.
He's the one that's like.
He's actually going for it now.
Yeah.
That's funny. Hey, buddy, good job. There you go. Get it, girl. Get after it, Diva Life.
That's funny. That is so cute. All right, look at that. The entire thing came off.
We're getting some marks on it,
I'm surprised at how like sturdy these cabinets are.
Remember, this is an old house, so this was built properly.
Yeah.
Right. This wasn't these like, hey, let's go to IKEA and $100 cabinets.
Yeah, these are very sturdy.
Four. At least a few hundred yards.
I feel like a property brother right now.
You're a property brother. Holy cow. That was a good hit. Dang, girl, you're gonna knock down the whole panel. Wonder Woman.
It's kind of scary.
Yeah. Only because you're so strong. You're scary strong. There you go. Way to go, bro. There you go, bro.
That is effective.
That is effective. He goes, that is effective.
Okay guys, so the kids are having a blast inside with Steven and Dan, just knocking down some of the remaining walls upstairs, and it's crazy. I feel like it already looks better just with so much more light coming in and just kind of being able to see a glimpse of what it's gonna look like opened up, you know, just not having those walls there. So I'm so excited to see that, even if it's total chaos, it's totally a mess. And we're watching the kids really closely. We don't want them to be stepping on nails and that kind of thing. And so, yeah, it's just fun to kind of get your hands dirty and get like involved in the project and all of that. So super fun. It is extremely hot, and so we're all sweating like crazy. There's obviously no AC on right now or anything like that. So really hot to be doing demo day in August, but it doesn't matter. I'm just so excited to see all the progress. We're wrapping it up. We've got just a few more minutes here that we're working on this. So look at, oh, sounds like a cabinet just came down.
Here it goes, here it goes.
Liam's hair, you got drywall all over. Really? Yeah, that's so funny. We are covered in it.
The hard day at work. Yeah. You know,
Good 40 minutes.
it already looks better in there than it did when we bought the house, you know? Like, just look. Just look. It's crazy. It is hot in there, man.
Yeah,
But you know what? That's called sweat equity right there. Sweat
literally.
equity.
Yeah.
Literal sweat equity.
And we have amazing friends that come and help us.
Now we do.
And now I'm 5% of the house.
That's why you've been asking to come.
We'll make a guest room for you.
Oh my gosh, that's so...
They said they've made more progress on the basement and cleared it out a little bit, so we are gonna come down and see that before we head out today. Look, it's literally open. There's literally a toilet right there from that half bath. That's funny.
Crazy, guys.
Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's all open, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so great. Look, Ethan. Do you see how clean it is down here?
Yeah.
Isn't that amazing?
Very clean.
It's very clean. And then this wall is going to come down because we're going to have a beam that goes up there. And it's going to be really open. And we're going to have kitchen area over here. Do you guys remember? Like, this is It's amazing. And then the laundry room is over here. And then that's storage, on like garage storage, and that's the garage. So then we'll have a nice little pretty kitchen right here. Open, it'll be open. And we'll have bedroom, bathroom, bedroom. And then this will be all living room space. It's gonna be so great.
Did you see this?
Did I see what?
The blue bathtub?
Oh yeah, it's out.
Ow!
Wow.
My God.
That came out in quite a, yeah. That's some big pieces, that's amazing. Yeah, I'm sure they had to. Yeah, I don't think it was gonna come out in all. Yeah.
Sledgehammer just going for it.
So this is where that blue bathroom was. Wow, it looks so much smaller without anything in here. This is where the sinks were and the toilet, and the tub was right here. And I guess that was just closed up. This looks so much smaller.
So when
Isn't that crazy?
Our house, we originally went like it was just a concrete pad. We walked in and we were like, so big. And then we walked in like 3 days later with all the beams, and then you're like, where are we going to put everything like this?
Yeah, it looks
and then when
so
the walls
small.
go up, it gets big again.
It's so weird how like that just kind of tricks you.
This all goes.
Yeah, because this feels like such a tiny bathroom, and it's not like a huge bathroom, but definitely felt bigger with things in it. So it's gonna be nice to get like some really pretty finishes in here. So I didn't even notice this when we bought the house, but this huge work table is really cool. Rustic, big thing. It's like pretty sturdy, and so we can keep that in the garage. That's really cool.
That'd be very handy too.
Yeah, that's awesome. So we already have one dumpster full of stuff. I guess this is all from the basement. And it's not all the basement stuff because there's a bunch here in the garage. But I think our contractor said it's probably going to take about 5 loads. Whoa, you got me! The boys have found some sticks and things that they're playing with, yeah. Ethan's got his buddy Leighton here. But yeah, our contractor said that we'll probably use about 5 of these dumpsters or so. I love this property so much.
I love that the kitchen overlooks it.
I know, the kitchen and the dining room is going to overlook it. The master bedroom's going to...
Not Leighton's family can us and Leighton's family can
go get frozen yogurt. We got all hot and sweaty. You know, it is a school night, so we're going to go home, but we are going to play with them some more later, okay? He's just walking circles around you. What are you doing?
I just like doing it.
You just like doing that?
Workout.
It's, oh, a good workout. You guys got a really good workout knocking all that stuff down, didn't you?
Don't Dr. Record. Daddy, help! Dad, look! Dad, look!
Okay guys, so we are back home and just got cleaned up. Everyone got showers. Oh my gosh, that was so fun, but so
I got so
hot.
sweaty and so gross.
The kids were covered in like the dust and all that from the drywall. It was fun. It was definitely fun. And I mean, you guys saw it already looks like such a transformation with like the light flowing through the rooms and the walls opened up. And
it already looks better than when we bought it. And I know I already said that, but like, it's like,
yeah,
it's just amazing to like
just get that glimpse, you know, of the vision. And honestly, there's a few things that were already like, oh, now I can kind of see. Maybe there's some other things we want to do here. So that was really cool. And it was amazing to have our friends come and help. Dan and Kylie are amazing. And you know,
follow a bit with the Brit, you need to.
Yeah, we've collabed with them a few times, and we love them. They're some of our favorite people. And so
sort of our guide through this whole process. He's like, oh yeah, you'll change your mind 1,000,000 times. It's okay. Like,
yeah, they know what they're talking about because they have built their own house. And so we are like leaning on them a lot with some of this. So yeah, it was fun. Did you guys like tearing down all those walls and craziness? Everyone was like super into it, and I was really surprised at how well the kids were doing knocking down those walls, because you know it's actually pretty hard work. Like,
it is.
Getting, especially like the paneling, that's really hard to bust through. I can already feel it in my shoulders a little bit. I'm like sore. I think all of us.
Massage table and get you.
Yeah, my whole body is sore, and my foot, guys. I was really worried about the kids like stepping on nails, so we were like watching it closely. That didn't happen, but I stepped on an earring today at home, and it went all the way into my foot.
So wild.
That was, it was horrible. And so actually the first few hours, it really wasn't that painful, but now anytime I put weight on it, like my entire foot just aches. And so that's not so pleasant. But at least there were no injuries at demo day, and that was the big thing, especially for a mom. You see all the kids like swinging their hammers, and I'm just like, be careful. I'm like trying to make sure that nobody's like getting, you know, a hammer to the face. Thank you, baby. Did you like knocking down those walls? You and Layton did such a good job.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
And sometimes I went like this.
Yeah, I saw that kind of like Superman hit, like jumping up in the air. I was like, guys, be careful. Like that. Whoa, just like that. Yeah, all the kids were so helpful and so strong, and it really is amazing. I feel like if we had the expertise, like we knew what we were doing, we'd be able to do a lot more of the work ourselves, because all of our kids are great helpers. But there's so much that, you know, you really need to know what you're doing. So I'm really grateful to have an amazing, thank you, contractor and team and all of that. And so yeah, we just wanted to get our hands a little dirty and kind of, you know, have some sweat equity into it.
I also have a pet turtle named Michelangelo.
That's right. Yeah, we've told everybody we have some turtles out on our property.
Find some more, we'll have Leonardo, Donatello, and Raphael as well.
Yeah.
And if we find a rat, we'll have Splinter.
Oh my gosh.
If we find a rhinoceros, it'll be Bebop or Rocksteady.
So it is a school night, and so we're not going to stay up too late.
We're going to bed right now, actually.
Not right now, but
I'm going to bed.
We have a few hours left, and Steven got the stuff this week to make his homemade peach cobbler.
Heck yeah, I did.
And you guys, have you seen? We've done this on the vlog a few times, haven't we?
I think so, maybe.
His homemade peach cobbler is so good, and we got some vanilla ice cream to go with it, because you can't do peach cobbler without vanilla ice cream. And so we were telling the kids we should have a little special treat, since everyone worked really hard today, and just maybe put on a show or a movie and enjoy a little bit of peach cobbler and ice cream as like a little reward for working so hard today. So what do you guys think? Should we do some peach cobbler?
Yes.
With the ice cream, of course.
With the ice cream.
Yes, Daddy's peach cobbler, so good. So
tasty.
I wish I could transport some of it to you guys.
You guys will all have to come over for dinner sometime, and whenever we get the new house, we'll just set up like a whole property, all 4 acres with tables.
Do you know how amazing that would be if we had just this huge party at our house?
That would be so awesome.
With like, you know, just tons of people outside and had like a big, not barn party, but I mean, I guess we have a barn too, but.
We get a hayride, have a little hayride, like a pumpkin patch, it'd be great.
Aww. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and close out here. I'm gonna include some B-roll of this peach cobbler though, because guys, it's just absolutely amazing. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.
We'll make sure we give you a bite. We'll just, you know.
Straight through the camera.
Yeah, just like that.
Love you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
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 For your name's sake, you will